Sam Altman was just on Theo Vaughn's podcast and he said something that should scare all of us. He compared ChatGPT to the Manhattan Project. Now, he's speaking less about the negative implications and more about the unknown from that experience the scientists had at the very beginning. You got to check this out.
Or are these just problems that happen in new spaces and you figure it out as you go?
You know, there are these moments in the history of science where you have a group of scientists look at their creation and just say, you know, what have we done? Maybe it's great, maybe it's bad, but what have we done? Like maybe the most iconic example is thinking about those scientists working on the Manhattan Project in 1945, sitting there watching the Trinity test and just, you know, this thing that had, it was a completely new, not human scale kind of power, and everyone knew it was going to reshape the world. And I do think people working on AI have that feeling in a very deep way. You know, we just don't know. Like, we think it's going to be great. There's clearly real risks. It kind of feels like you should be able to say something more than that. But in truth, I think all we know right now is that we have discovered, invented, whatever you want to call it, something extraordinary that is going to reshape the course of human history.
Dear God, man. But if you don't know, we don't know.
Well, of course. I mean, I think no one can predict the future. Like, human society is very complex. This is an amazing new technology. And I do think that's what AI is going to be like. We had this one crazy scientific discovery that led to these language models we all use now. And that is going to change the course of society in all kinds of ways. And of course, we don't know what they all are.
Damn. I was hoping you knew by the end of that sentence.